At a car show in Mechanicsville, Virginia. Isn't this a beauty? What kind of car is this, Mark? This kind of car?
I think it's a 69 Mustang.
Oh, yeah. That's so pretty. Oh, yeah.
Not everything. Try to keep everything looking stock.
Mach 1. Look at this interior. Oh, look at that. Mm-hmm. Very, very nice. Oh, look at that engine, would you? Wow. Blown intentions. I tell you, the things they do to these cars are something else.
Looks like it'll get down a quarter mile quick. Hooks up.
Yeah.
I like this. The truck, I don't know. The white car over there is nice.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Look at that engine. Mm-mm-mm. Hmm.